Number 8, we are looking to solve. Notice that this is a difference of squares. So what that means is that I can just square root each one of these, okay, and see what happens. The square root of 81 becomes 9. The square root of 49x squared becomes 7x. So that would be my first one, and my other one is going to have the same values, but one of them is going to be a plus, and the other one's going to be a minus. Okay, so that would be my two answers, but it equals to 0. I now technically still need to solve, so I set the first one equals to 0, and I set the other one equals to 0. Okay, I subtract. Let's do the left equation first. I subtract 9 to both sides. We get 7x is equal to -9. Then divide by 7. This cancels. X is equal to -9 over 7. On the right hand side, notice it's actually the same process, but I get -7 over -9. Divide by -7, divide by -7. I get x is equal to 9 over 7 positive. Notice that the solutions are exactly the same. It's just one of them is positive, the other one's a negative. Okay. B, you can do the same thing, all right? Or I'm going to show you a different way. Okay. Do you see how it's minus -64? Watch this. I'm going to add 64 to both sides. I get 9x squared is equal to 64. I see a 9 in front, so I divide by 9, divide by 9. I don't do anything yet. I get x squared is equal to 64 over 9. I can now square root both sides. So I get x is equal to, what is the square root of 64? Well, it's 8. What's the square root of 9? 3. But remember, the answer is plus and minus. Okay, so your two answers, your two solutions are x is equal to 8 over 3 and x is equal to -8 over 3. Same way of doing it. C, you see the x squared equals to 25, square root both sides. But when I take the square root of both sides, I get x is equal to plus and minus 5. So your solutions are x is equal to 5 and x is equal to -5. Remember, it's always two solutions because it's a quadratic, it's an x squared.